So I wasn't going to write my vows. I was kind of going to freestyle it, but I figured, this is a moment you probably don't want to mess up, so I should write it down. So, all right. So as I sit here thinking of all the things that I could say to someone that I've said everything to already, I kind of wanted to keep it as short and simple as possible. So I promise to love and respect you. I promise to protect your mental, physical, and spiritual health. I promise to keep you in all the designer things you like. And I'll even compromise on wearing my expensive sweatpants and sweaters with you so we can share those. All jokes aside, you're my light when times are dark. You're the muse to my music. And there's an endless amount of things that you are to me, but the one important thing right now is that you're mine forever.
Okay, Prince, you truly are my best friend. I love our little household rules that we never walk into or out of our home without a kiss hello or a kiss goodbye. That if one of us is going to bed, we're both going to bed. I love that after 10 years, we still go to sleep intertwined with each other. I love how much we laugh, like crying laughing all the time. And coming home to you is my favorite part of every single day. Sometimes I find myself just staring at you. I see your lips are moving and you're telling me a story or something, but I honestly have no idea what you're saying because I'm just looking at you and just thinking how blessed I feel to be in this position. Whoa, shaky, sorry. Okay. Today I marry you with absolutely no hesitation or doubt. And here's what I vow. I vow to love you more each day than I did the day before. And when I run out of ways to show you that I care, I will reinvent the wheel over and over again. I vow to be faithful to you and only you. When we start a family, I vow to be the best mom I can be because I know that you will be the most incredible father and the pinnacle of our Jacob's household. I vow to stand beside you, to grow old with you, to fight your battles hand in hand with you, to encourage you, to support you, to challenge you, to be your biggest advocate and your wildest fan. I love you. And I thank you for loving me the way that you do. Happy anniversary. I can't wait to start this new chapter.
They met over 10 years ago, April 2008. Just to give y'all a little perspective, George W. Bush was president. Usher was singing about love in this club on the radio. Yes, it has been a long time coming indeed. But they met at Prince's sister's 16th birthday party. They were 15 years old, and Prince noticed Essence right away. He approached her and he asked her to dance. And Essence said no. Now it could have ended there, but they shared a group of friends and they found themselves hanging out together from time to time. And eventually they exchanged MySpace and AOL Instant Messenger information. Remember those? And they began communicating that way. So the second question I'm going to share, I asked, what is Prince's best quality? And Essence answered, Prince's best quality is that he is honest in the way that he tells it like it is. I really respect that about him. I know that if I ask him his opinion on something, I will always get just that, good or bad. Kind of like when I tell him I miss him after only 3 hours, he'll reply with just, aw. But he refuses to say he misses me if he doesn't. I think it's hilarious, but at least I know that when he says something, it's true. I asked Prince the same question, what is Essence's best quality? And he said, Essence's best quality is her ability to always voice her opinion, whether pleasant or not. Yeah, those are two honesty is what I'm hearing right there. And honesty is a cornerstone of a good relationship. I asked Prince, why are you looking forward to spending the rest of your life with Essence? And he wrote, I'm looking forward to starting a family and having beautiful babies. I asked Essence the same question, why are you looking forward to spending the rest of your life with Prince? And she said, I'm so excited to spend the rest of my life with Prince because he is the highlight of all my days. I've been blessed with a career that I enjoy, but I still spend all day thinking about going home to him, starting dinner, and cuddling on the sofa. It sounds so cliche, but it's true for me that every moment we are apart, I miss him. I can't wait to begin the next journey of our relationship. Marrying on our 10-year anniversary is just the beginning. Well, it's time to make it official as you make the vows that will bind you together for the rest of your lives. Essence Alexis Lemon. Do you take Prince Jacobs to be your lawfully wedded husband and to live together in marriage? Do you promise to love him, comfort him, honor him, and keep him, for better or for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, for as long as you both shall live? If so, please tell him, I do.
I really, really do.
Thank you. And at times of joy, will you celebrate with them, nourishing their love for one another? But most of all, do you promise to love them unconditionally for as long as you all shall live? Yeah! All right, then by the power vested in me, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Prince, you may kiss the bride.
She did look relaxed, but she also looked determined and she pushed through that semester. This young man went out of his way to find a way to make sure she was taken care of. The miles between them didn't matter. I was with her and didn't even know how to help her, but he did. And at that moment, I knew if she spent her life with anyone, that person is Prince. I love him. I love him forever. I thank his parents for raising a great, kind, loving son. My daughter is my true love, my pride and joy, and every obstacle that came her way, she conquered it. Anyone who knows me knows I live for her. She is my world. Parents are supposed to teach their kids, but this beautiful woman has taught me so much. She's taught me compassion, patience, endurance, and love. When they moved to the West Coast, my only baby leaving the coop, I was sad, I was worried, but it was such a blessing to know that they will make it because they have each other. I've gained the best gift, and that's a son. Thank you for always being her ride or die, her yin to your yang. Thank you for coming and sharing in this beautiful day. I love you, Essence and Prince. Joy so much. I love you.
Thank you so much for coming. I love you so much. I can't begin to tell you how happy I am for the two of you. I believe that God sent us our true soulmate. It's up to us to recognize them. And that's exactly what you two are to each other. I wish that every day of your lives be as happy as you are today. I love you both so very much, and you're two brilliant people. I love you.
So I've been given 1 minute today. Somehow that seems too short, but I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna run with it. So life is a competition. As a twin, you compete with your twin brother. Everything is a competition. From whatever you guys do, from the time you wake up to the time you go to bed, whoever falls asleep the fastest, all that is a competition. But today, Prince has beat me in marriage. Top it up again. Says that because of you, Essence, I've seen Prince become a better man. I've seen him become more respectful. I've seen Prince do a whole 360 change that I've never thought that I would see Prince do. I'm here for it. You know, so I want to wish you guys the best. I love you both. And it's lit on Saturday. Right? Thank you guys. Thank you.
So this is to my bestie, my soul sister. We've known each other now for 10 plus years. With having distance between each other, we've always been there for each other and will continue to be. Essence, you are one of the most beautiful, caring, genuine, authentic, strong, inspirational persons I know, and I am blessed to call you my bestie soulmate. I only want to see you happy, and Prince has done just that and more. Since we were 15, we've been talking about this moment between you and Prince. We've even wanted to try on rings. Classic white gold diamond ring, 6 prongs preferred. Having witnessed tough times in their relationships, you and Prince have always found your way back to each other, and throughout the years have only become stronger. Thank you, Prince, for making my best friend so happy. The fact that she still feels the butterflies when with you, I know you both are meant to be. Seeing how you both motivate, encourage, and support each other is a blessing, and I admire that, and I know that will only get stronger. I love you, Essence. I love you, Prince. You both are perfect for each other, and God put you two together for a reason. With that being said, I want to propose a toast to Essence and Prince Jacob. New beginnings, a new chapter with new milestones and unforgettable memories.